Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn in this video how you can update the data from the table or how you can delete the data. So let's get started. Now here is the query how you can update the data. So you need to use the update command and then the table name and then write the set or the first name for this. So this is the column what I'm going to update the value inside. So whatever name is there, it will replace with the Manohar. And then I'm going to update the department as well. And then it say where the employee ID is 1002. So select the unique value so it can find out the table name or your the primary key here. Now, this is the second query to delete the data from the table. You can use the delete from employee and where employee ID is equal to this. So it will delete the data. So let's move it to the lab and we can see the practical how you can do that. So I am in my lab and let's run this query and check the data, what type of data I have. So I have the employee ID, first name, last name, office, department, all these data. So I showed you in my last video how you can create the table, how you can feed the data inside. And now let's modify the data. So now we are going to update the data from the table. So let me go here and type the update command, update and the table name and then set the what you want to update it. So you want to update suppose the first name and then is equal to what the value you want to put it here. I suppose I want to change this Mohan to Ram Manohar to the Manohar, Manohar. So I want to change this value, and against to that I need to change the department as well. So this is a I need to use the comma over here and then type the department. So department. So what is the department is showing here? Department is showing for it's the IT, but I want to change it to finance. FI finance, and just that's all. You need to set the value from where you are changing it. So where employee ID in which row is exist, it's exist in your the value number 3, or if you want to change this you can change this also. So I'm giving the employee ID is equal to 1003. So it will change the value under the 103. The value is a Mohan, so it will change it to Ram Manohar, and the department is a IT, so it will change the department, and rest of the value will be same as it is. So now execute this query and let's see. Now it's successfully completed, and let's run this value. So now you've seen it, the department is changed to the finance against to the 103, and the value also changes to the Manohar. So guys, that's how you can use your query, how to you can update the data inside the table. I change it just only the two value, one this and one is this. So rest of the value will be same as it is. So let me go to the next query and show you how you can delete the data, and first run this query so I can see the column over here and then I can start writing the query. So what I need to delete the last line. Let's say 104 or the 103, whichever I want to delete it. So let's select the delete and delete from the table name, it's employee, and the where condition where your employee ID is equal to what I have the 1004. So I want to delete this complete data from my the table. Let's execute this query. So now it's got deleted, and let me select this value and check. So now only the 3 data is here. So last line is removed from our data from the our table. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. My the next video I will be coming up with some other interesting topic about the SQL. So thank you guys.